Hey guys, Cal here with ClassicalDespairs.com. Thanks for tuning in. I have a very quick video that I wanted to show you guys. It's going to be on this brand new spark plug wire crimping tool. So if you guys are modifying spark plug wire, if you're making your own spark plug wire and you want to do it in a very professional way, I highly suggest watching the rest of the video because this tool is definitely going to achieve professional results and repeatability. We honestly just started using this tool here in the shop and I really wish I was able to find out about this tool earlier. Let's go over the tool, how it works, and all the details. So I want to show you guys what a new spark plug lead typically looks like. So this is a spark plug lead that we sell on the website for a Triumph, but if you guys actually look at the fittings, you'll see that they're crimped on very nicely. It just looks very professional. So the tool that I'm going to show you guys and how everything works is basically going to be able to recreate what you see here. So this end would go into the coil, this end would go into the spark plug. Not all applications would require these type of fittings, but for what I'm selling the tool for, which is for vintage British motorcycles, this for the coil is definitely the most important. This side is probably going to be more on preference and what you prefer. However, you can use the tool to achieve both of the same results. So let's go over the ratcheting tool here. Very high quality piece. It's got a nice handle, really good in the hand. Plastic handle, rubber material here, so it gives you good grip. This is all metal here, and then it has the dies right here, which will be able to crimp all the fittings on your spark plug wire. You see that there's 3 different dies here. This one is going to be crimping the proper fitting to fit on the spark plug wire for your coil. Right here will basically unsheath the wires. If you want to be able to expose the copper core wire, internally, you can just use that to expose. This one right here is going to crimp the fitting that's going to be used for the end of your spark plug. So let's crimp some fittings on the spark plug wire here. This one is going to be fitted into a coil, so I have the proper fitting right here. What we're going to do first is we're going to have to expose some copper wires. We're going to use the middle die here. All we have to do is squeeze, remove the tool, pull, and then it exposes the wire itself. Then what we're going to do is fold the wire. We're going to insert it somewhere in that area there. And we're going to insert it in the tool. We're going to squeeze all the way and then we'll release just like that. In my opinion, I think is a very professional result. Nice and even crimp. It looks really good. It's ready to be installed into an ignition coil. Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to crimp this fitting here on the other end. This is going to be for your spark plug. Mind you, a lot of spark plugs and a lot of leads do not use this fitting. I just wanted to show you guys anyways of how it works and how it looks. Use the same middle die, release it. The wire is exposed. Here we want it fitted right there. Got it in place there, and we simply crimp it. There you go. This is about as professional as you're going to get. Just in reference, I wanted to show you guys, this is the wire that we sell from a manufacturer, how it comes to CBS, and then you have the other side here. So obviously the fittings are a little bit different style, but you can see that the professional results are just about the same. If you look over on this side, this one's from a manufacturer. This is the one that we just crimped in the video. We have very similar and also professional results. That was very quick and easy. So we have a Lucas ignition coil. I already feel the resistance. You just push it in. It's very snug, so you would have a rubber boot. Everything's nice and tight. All right, you guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys are interested in purchasing your own tool, check out the description below. It's gonna have a full link, and we'll also include some links to our spark plug wire and the fittings that can be used with this tool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy.